I think the best thing that in the P-Tech program is I can show them that you're kind of learning how to work together. It doesn't matter what subject is we're learning, what topic is we're learning. Can we sit there and listen to somebody give us some instruction, teach us something, and apply that to something else?
Although it is a computer science-based program, some people are thinking, oh, it's only for either gaming or for coding or that kind of stuff, and it really isn't. It's giving them life skills that they can use and apply to any other program in the future.
The P-Tech program is just such an amazing program. It gives students so many opportunities, and opportunities that a traditional student doesn't have access to.
The great thing about P-Tech is we're partnered through CBS, so that their junior of high school, they can actually get a paid internship through them. So they'll actually get shadowing and real world experience as database programmers, administrators.
P-Tech in general provides that learning opportunity to get that college credit experience, and also, the invaluable experience of partnering with a business, and just having those professionals and their knowledge, and not just their technical knowledge, like for us around computer science, but just their life knowledge, for kids to be able to tap into that and kind of formulate those relationships that will be, a relationship that could be everlasting for years into their career is truly amazing. And it really, has opened doors for the majority of the students that are in our P-Tech program.
The students can expect a lot of support and encouragement from the teachers, probably more than in any class that their child has been in, because together we are working as a team for a common goal.
We have a mentoring piece where teachers serve as a mentor to students and are meeting with students on a weekly or bi-weekly basis in order to figure out how we can help them, how things are going, what we can do to improve their success in the program.
The students still have to take traditional classes, just not in a traditional sense. So they still have their science, their English, their history. My kids, some of them are 5-6 classes deep into college, and it really shows their maturity level. Many of them have already done internships and have been requested by CBS to come back and work full-time as soon as they're out of high school.
For computer science, the student should expect a broad overview of what computer science actually is, because it is a very vast program. They get exposed to big data, programming and block language, Python, JavaScript, networking, cybersecurity. So they get a very broad overview of the different aspects of computer science.
I think that's something you'll see in P-Tech, apart from a lot of other high school curriculums, is our teachers, they put a lot of time after school, a lot more time than I've seen in previous teaching jobs, where we do an extra 2 hours a day for tutoring. I always tell the students, before you ask me a question, name me 3 or 4 things you did that you tried beforehand. I want to see your skills.
The students that are graduating this year, along with the current juniors and some of the sophomores, what they've accomplished, they've had paid internships at CBS. They applied for the internships, they interviewed for them, and some of them got rejected, which is a part of the business world, right? And students need to learn about that. They've also had a lot of different opportunities through URI and CCRI to earn college credits, and just the opportunities that they're afforded in this program, they're amazing.